Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will teach you step by step how to delete a split for your scenes in the CapCut video editor. So let's get started. Alright guys, so as you can see I have added a couple of video clips to my library on CapCut, and now I would like to delete a split for that video clip here for demonstration purposes. So let me place that video clip on my timeline, and to delete the split I will first have to create the split, and you can do that by moving your playhead here on your video, on your timeline, and by clicking on that button here, split, that is going to split your scene into two separate video clips. So there are basically two different ways how you can reverse that. You can either click on that undo button here on the left hand side to simply undo the last action. There you go. As you can see, the split has been removed. But there's also a second option. For example, guys, if you have already edited your video and there has passed a lot of time since the last split, and it is mind-blowingly simple. So let's assume, for example, I deleted the second half of that video clip after the split, just like that, so that only the first half here is left. You can simply restore your entire video clip by changing its length. You can do that by left clicking on the edge here to the right of the video clip and by restoring its original length, just like that. As you can see, the second half, which I previously deleted, has been restored and there's no split anymore, and that's how you delete split here in CapCut. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.